Welcome to PeopleSoft channel. My name is Siva Koya, and today I'm going to share you the steps I followed to install Kibana in my PeopleTools 8.58 environment. We are going to go through the issues I faced during the installation process and after the installation process. Without any further delay, let's get started. PeopleSoft supports Kibana integration starting with PeopleTools 8.58. Just like I mentioned in the previous episode, if you are installing this single user environment, PeopleSoft automatically takes care of Kibana installation. If you are installing this single user environment, you need to manually install Kibana. This episode will be helpful for you if you want to do a brand new installation of Kibana or if you want to reinstall Kibana in your environment. Before we install Kibana, we need to make sure Elasticsearch Engine is up and running. Since my Elasticsearch Engine is down, let me go ahead and bring up my Elasticsearch Engine. I started my Oracle VirtualBox PeopleSoft single user environment. Now I am logging in as root. First, I will switch the user from root to ESADM1 because ESADM1 has the access to run Elasticsearch Engine. Navigating to the Elasticsearch Engine folder. Now I am firing up Elasticsearch Engine. Verified from front end that Elasticsearch Engine is up. Now we are ready to install Kibana. Now switching the user from ESADM1 to root who have access to install Kibana. Now I will navigate to Kibana installation directory where all installation files are located. Running the installation command. Since Elasticsearch Engine is already installed, I will say no. I will say yes to Logstash installation. To fetch REST service URL, login into PeopleSoft application. Navigate to PeopleTools, Integration Broker, Integration Setup, Service Operations, and search for this service operation. Select it, click on Validate Link, Generate URL. I'm going to type this URL in our command prompt. Click Enter. Provide your integration broker user ID and password. Provide the location for the JSON files to be created. I just used the same location provided in the prompt. The number of seconds data needs to be refreshed. I gave 360. Number of threads I gave 2. Don't ask me why. Provided Elasticsearch hostname. Port number 9200. Elasticsearch username is ESAdmin. Do you want to create JSON files? I say yes. Again, I answer yes to install Kibana and provide the port number. Don't forget to enter HTTP when you enter hostname Otherwise, the installation process will fail and you need to start from beginning. I made that mistake once. Provide the Elasticsearch port number. Provide again ESAdmin password. At this point of time, you might receive this install Kibana error message. To fix that error, you need to log in into PeopleSoft server and navigate to Elasticsearch folder. Then navigate to config folder. Open the JVM options file. I'm going to increase the Java heap size in this file. I have commented out these two lines and I navigated all the way to the bottom and increase the Java heap size from 1 gig to 3 gig. After saving the file, yes, you need to start the Kibana installation process from the beginning. Assuming you began the installation process from the beginning, I will pick up from where I left off before. At this point, no inputs are required from our side. You can see Kibana is installed successfully. Let's see if I can connect to Kibana. Copying the Kibana hostname from search instance page and pasting in the new tab, and we are going to use the port 5601. Click enter. Now we can see the Kibana login screen. Let me go ahead and log in. Now we can access Kibana dashboard. That's it guys. In the next episode, I will show you how to create dashboards, visualizations in Kibana. That's all I have for you today. For more interesting content, don't forget to visit my channel. I'll be back with one more interesting topic next week. If you have any suggestion for me, feel free to drop in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. See you next week. Until then, keep learning.